Yo, yo, yoid, what's up, people? See that curtain behind me? It's pretty awesome. Anyways, right now I'm on BlogTV. Look at all these people saying stuff. Say stuff. Funny. Everyone's just saying hi. That's not very creative. There we go. These guys are pretty funny. Oh, come on, ice cream dick. What? So who do we have in here? We have me, obviously, and Elsh Clown, Cam Doggy, Georgie Boy. And tonight what we did is we came up with a bunch of video ideas. So far, what do we have, guys? We have video about yelling yeah. Interactive video. Song about, yeah, we have song about macaroni. This is because I'm eating a bowl of macaroni and everyone's talking about macaroni. Making macaroni the intense way. You better shave. I'm not gonna shave for the rest of my life, so... Alright, and we also have build something. We're building friendships. That's what we're doing. Tinfoil. Oh yeah, someone said tinfoil the entire house. What do you guys say to all the people who didn't come to the BlogTV show? You guys. You missed out. You suck. They're ugly people. Oh yeah, I stripped. I forgot about that. Stripped down to my bare jigglies. It's fun. You're losing too much fun. I guess I'm a pretty fun guy, apparently, because everyone's saying it's really fun. Thanks, guys. Do you want to play 21 questions or something? Yeah, okay. I'm going to think of an object. I'm going to think of an object or a person, a thing or a person. And you guys have to ask me yes or no questions until you figure it out. Alright? Alright, I thought of something. And you guys ask me yes or no questions. Is it funny? Not really. It's not macaroni, no. No, it's not transvestite. Here's a hint. Ask clarifying questions that actually help you. Is it pancakes? No. It's not a person, no. It's not food. It's not food. It's something you could hold, yes. It's you could use it. Sort of like a tool, yeah. It's not used as transportation. It's not used in the kitchen. It's not used for musical purposes. It's not tinfoil. It's not a laptop. Yeah, it's usually bendable. You'll get it. Just keep it. It's not used for building things. I'm sure someone will get it eventually. You just guys have to ask the wrong questions. You guys just suck at this game. I can't believe a whole group of people suck so much. It's not used for destruction. It is bendable. It's bendable, yeah. The cell phone? No. Necklace? No. Condom? No. Glasses? No. See, you guys are a lot closer. You guys are a lot closer than you were earlier, so... Bookmark? No. Toothbrushes? No. So use to make observations. Ask questions. Don't just say random things. Actually ask questions that you could use so you could get closer to figuring it out. Yes, it's used in personal hygiene. Do you need to survive? No, you don't need to survive. See, see, George had the right idea. You ask questions. You could use it. I guess you could call it a tool. It's not a toothbrush. It's a comb! It's a comb! Yeah! Oh, look, in the chat room we have people from Tennessee, Hawaii, Colorado, Tennessee, New York, Maryland, Canada, Colorado, and Argentina. Espro's from my mother. South Carolina. What time is it where you guys live? Stink mop. 12:57. Right now it's, for me, it's 1:57 a.m. 6:57 p.m. This guy's just ate some supper. Eastern time, people. Stink mop. This guy, stink mop for this guy. This guy is just not like, who cares what time it is? It's just party time. Apple, banana, avocado, spaghetti, melon, TCO, lemon, Grandpa Lemon, taco. Hope there's a lot of spaghetti. You people put that stuff in pie? Wow, butt fruit. What are you talking? Why you no dancing? Are you gonna film this seriously? You're seriously gonna film this crap? Pizza. Viewers, Mike agreed to shake his ass earlier. Orange. But he does not want to go through with it. I've never said that once, Georgie boy. That I was bacon. That's just gross ice cream. Ice cream's being gross, guys. Or are these all types of ice cream? What's your favorite type? What? You're weird, ice cream. Ice cream's being weird again. Twig and berries. They were what you put in the pie. These people are crazy. He's joking around about geese again. What you joking around about geese for? Root beer should have alcohol in it. Leg. You guys are gross. You with your skinny penis. Don't smurf on my lawn. LMAO, haha. Osama's alive. Run for your lives. Yo, discover it. Now it's a shorter, but a little bit more girth to it. Skinny. My name is Poop Nose and I love the smell of my own farts. My own farts. Yeah, this is the end of the video, so what do you guys have to say? Comb. Alright. Peace. My Marino videos.